A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in previous video we have done practice set number 7.2 from question number 1 to question number 6. Today we are going to see question number 7 to 9. Question number 7, it is given, plot the point A, B, C on a graph paper. If these points are collinear, then draw the line which include them. The coordinate of the points at which the line intersect the x-axis and the y-axis. Now children, first of all you will draw the graph how we are drawing. Now we will plot the point A is given, coordinates are 2 and 3. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. So our point will come over here. Point A, 2 and 3. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3. Now point B is given, x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is given -1. -1 is where, student? Over here. -6 and -1 will come point this side at the point B, 6 and -1. After this, student, point C is given 0 and 5. It means x coordinate of x is 0 and coordinate of y is given 5. Will come over here, C, 0 and 5. Okay. Now we have to join these three lines. So they are coming collinear. Then we have to write the intersection of x-axis and y-axis. Yes, these 3 points are collinear. Yes. Draw the line. So here, student, we have drawn the line passing through the point C, A and B. And these 3 points are collinear. Now, student, the 3 points are collinear. Then we have to write what? The points at which the line intersect at x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, the point intersect at where? On 5. So here will give the name Q. The x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate will be 0. On y-axis, the point intersect on the y-axis are here also 5. So y coordinate we get 5. It means x coordinate will be 0. So already we have the point C, which is 0 and 5. So we'll write the statement. To the right side, the points are collinear. The line intersect the x-axis in the point Q will be the 5 and 0. And the y-axis, the point C will be 0 and 5. Clear? Student, here we got x plus 4 equal to 0. We get x equal to -4 and which is parallel to y-axis. So x value we got -4. So -4 is here, which is parallel to y-axis. So we'll draw the line, vertical line of -4, which is parallel to y-axis, and the equation was what? X plus 4 equal to 0. Now second one we got 2x plus 3 equal to 0, and we got the value of x equal to -1.5. So here also we got x equal to -1.5. So -1 is here, 1.5 will be the middle one. So this line is also parallel to y-axis. We'll draw the line which is parallel to y-axis. The equation is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the next one is given y minus 1 equal to 0. minus 1 means it will go to the right side, become plus 1. So y equal to plus 1. So y value is equal to plus 1. So y is here, vertical line, and positive 1 is here. So y value is given, it will be parallel to x axis. Okay. So here y value was 1. So y minus 1 equal to 0 was equation. So minus 1 was here. So the line is parallel to x-axis. And the last one is given 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So y value became how much, student? Equal to 5. We got the value of y equal to 5. That is a positive number. Y is given 5 over here. So this again will parallel to the x-axis. So equation was 3y minus 15 equal to 0. Whichever line you draw with the equation, that equation should be written on that. So student, here we got 4 intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4. So intersection of this point is minus 4 and 1. So we write minus 4 and 1. Intersection of this point is x is given minus 1.5. The y value is 1. And intersection of this point is x value is minus 1.5. The y value is 5. And this point is intersection is x coordinate is minus 4 and the y coordinate is 5. These 4 points are the intersection of each other. Is that clear? Okay. Student, question number 9 is given. Draw the graph of the equation given below. And 3 equations are given. First equation is given x plus y equal to 2. Second equation is given 3x minus y equal to 0. The third one equation is given 2x plus y equal to 1. So to draw a graph, we have to solve this equation with the given variables and numbers. Student, here I have to assume the value between 1 to 5 positive number, including 0 and till the negative 5. So it depends on you. You can take number between minus 5 to positive 5, including 0. So the first equation is given x plus y equal to 2. So what I will do, first of all, I will solve x equal to 2. The plus positive 5 will become negative y. So first we got x equal to what? 2 minus y. Here I assume put y equal to 1. I am taking the value of y is 1. So x equal to 2 minus the y value assume what? 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. If I am taking the value of y is 1, so x also come value 1. So our coordinate x is 1, y is also 1. First always we write the coordinate of x, then coordinate of y. Now second, put y equal to 0. I am assuming now what? Y value is 0. So x equal to 2 minus y value what I have taken? 0. So here we get 2 minus 0 is 2. So x value came what? 2. If I am taking the value of y is 0, then I am getting the value of x is 2. So 2 comma 0. So first I wrote the coordinate of x, then I wrote the coordinate of y. Now third assumption, I am taking y equal to minus 1. So student, you can assume the number between minus 5 till the positive 5 because the number will come between the 9 only. So here our equation was x equal to 2 minus y. The y value what we have taken? Minus 1. So 2 minus minus plus 1 became 3. X value came 3. If I am taking the value of y minus 1, so I am getting the value of x is 3. So 3 comma minus 1. With the help of this coordinate, we will draw a bar graph. It should be a collinear line. Now, how we have solved the first one, same way we will solve the second one. And the third equation will be the homework for you. The second one, so here it is given minus y will shift to the right side, become positive 5. So y equal to 3x. So put x equal to 3. Sorry, I am taking 2. So y equal to 3 multiplied by x value, what I have taken? 2. 3 2 is 6. So y value I am getting 6. If I am taking x value is 2, so y I am getting 6. So 2 comma 6. Now second I will take, put x value is minus 2. So our equation was y equal to 3x was given. 3 multiplied by x. X value is what? Minus 2. 3 2 is minus 6. So y value came minus 6. If I am taking x value is minus 2, so y value will come minus 6. So minus 2 and minus 6. Now I will take, put x equal to 0. So our equation was y equal to 3x. So 3 multiplied by 0. So 3 0 is 0. So y will also come 0. If I take x value is 0, y value is also come 0. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is also 0. So both the coordinate is 0, then we say origin. Now after solving these two equations, I will draw the graph. The third equation will be the homework for you. So you can draw both the equation bar graph in the one page only. Don't make separate graph for this. Children, from the first equation we got the coordinates are 1 and 1. So means x is 1, y is also 1. Both are positive number. So give the name A, 1 and 1. The second one we got 2 and 0. So x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. It means it will lie on y axis. 2 and 0, give the name B. Now the third coordinate we got, x is 3 and y is minus 1. X is 3, y is minus 1. So C is 3 and minus 1. So all the 3 points are collinear. Then we have to draw one line by joining these 3 points. Okay, here we have drawn. On this line, we have to write the equation. From which equation we got these 3 points? X plus y equal to 2 is the equation. Okay. Now from the second equation we got the coordinate are 2 and 6. So x value is 2 and y value is 6 is here. So give the name P, 2 and 6. Now the next point we got minus 2 and minus 6. Minus 2, x coordinate is minus 2, y coordinate is minus 6. So minus 2 and minus 6. Here we get with the name Q, minus 2 and minus 6. The third point we got 0 and 0 means it is origin. So here we give the name. Here we give the P, Q. We can give the name here O, 0 and 0. So now this point P, O and Q should be collinear. So collinear means it should fall in the same straight line. We'll check once this point, origin and P. Yes, all the 3 points coming in the straight line means 3 points are collinear. Okay, and the equation was 3x minus y equal to 0. So student, with the help of two equation I have drawn two collinear line. So now you have to draw the third one. You can draw in this graph also, otherwise you can use separate graph also. Understood? The third one equation is the homework for you. Children, in question number 9, first and second equation I have solved, and equation number 3 is homework for you. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video.